Hello, we are now in Som Poi, Chiang Mai, Thailand, and here with me is
I'm ready. Of course, Salesian Youth Leader in Philippines.
yes, and we are now here in the school, and it's raining outside, very strong rains, and even winds, but still there are students here studying both elementary and high school. And look, we can see some of them here coming to. Oh, wait! I forgot how to do this. Look at that. No? If we are in the Philippines, when a little rain, no more class. But
Yeah.
here, they still have class.
Still have class.
Look,
It's
come
like
on, let's
it's
go
like
and
signal
number
number
two. But there's still many people here, and they're very happy that they arrived because they have been waiting for rains for the past days. And just now when we came, there's a lot of rain. Hello, yeah, come on, hello.
Yes.
Introduce, yeah. Go. Oh my.
Hello, I'm John from Vietnam.
Hello, I'm Man from Nepal.
Yes. And look at that. No, they're having classes here. Of course, I don't know. It's already 1:30 p.m. here, and it seems they're still having classes. And I do not know. They're there. They're very busy. And some of them are just shy. Look. There. We are having our community immersion here for our AYA-ATF. Together we are the sisters. Hi, sisters.
Hi.
Yay. And later on, we shall go somewhere else. I
Yes.
don't know where it's. Bye bye. See you later.
How much stuff?